Hello my lovelies, it's time to wash myself properly. I like to use the shampoo from the Body Shop, saying to Lush in Rituals Body Scrub. So after washing my body, I'm going to apply my favorite Ritual body lotion. So these are the cool items I used for washing my body. It smells really great. I like this Sleepy Lush body wash very much. I also use my Ritual body wash and my scrub from Rituals as well. So Rituals is a great brand. Guys, this is my simple outfit for today. I'm wearing this Esprit trouser and Esprit top. So this is my very simple day outfit I love to wear whenever I want to step out. I'm not wearing any makeup. So before I apply very tiny makeup, I'm going to tone my face. This is the natural face sorting tone. So I'm just going to apply a little bit on a cotton pad. I'm going to use it on my face. So this will make my face feel very good. Really, it actually feels good. So I wash my face properly so you cannot see any dirt on it. So next I'm going to apply my Dior perfume. Wear my simple scarf on my hair. So this is my simple scarf. So whenever I wake up, I'm in a hurry, I need to run errands, I just like to wear very tiny minimal makeup or no makeup. So I just tie my hair scarf on my hair quickly like this and I step out. That's actually it. And afterwards I'm just ready for the day. So I'm going to share with you my two favorite perfumes. So this is the Ritual perfume called Blooming Backward, and this is the Ritual Yoga perfume. Sorry, this is Miss Dio and this is Ritual. Sorry, I'm talking too fast. So I'm just going to spray 2 pumps. It's more than enough. And this as well, I'm just going to spray this on my neck area. So this I sprayed on my ear lobes and neck area. So I really love the scent of this perfume on my body. Communication is the key to a successful relationship. Communication is the key. Communication is the key to a successful relationship. Communication is the key. Guys, the theme song for today is Communication is the key. Communication is the key to a successful relationship. Communication is the key. Communication is the key to a successful relationship. Communication is the key. Communication is the key. Communication is the key. Dus de manier die mensen bijvoorbeeld Novotel China, Novotel Japan, Novotel India, Mumbai India, de manier die manager of de directeur communiceren met zijn medewerker is totaal anders met de manier die manager van Novotel Rotterdam of manager van Novotel Breda communiceren met zijn medewerkers. Het klinkt een beetje grappig, maar het is wel zo. Het klopt hoor. Omdat alle bedrijven hebben verschillende cultuur. Ik ga Sheraton en Hilton Hotel als een voorbeeld doen. Zo die Hilton Hotel in Amsterdam, Hilton Hotel China, Hilton Hotel Tokyo, Hilton Hotel Abuja, Hilton Hotel Ghana, Hilton Hotel Canada, Doha. Allemaal hebben verschillende manieren om te communiceren. Dus alle bedrijven heeft verschillende manieren om te communiceren met zijn medewerker en ook zijn cliënten. Dus communicatie heeft verschillende manieren. Je kan communiceren met je lichaam, je kan communiceren met kleuren, which is verbaal en non-verbaal communicatie. En die body language is super belangrijk voor alle bedrijven. Dus sommige bedrijven, bijvoorbeeld als je naar India gaat, dan gaan veel mensen zien zo grootjes doen of China, maar in Nederland, is anders. In Nigeria, in Lahore, saya ook veel mensen zijn dus een beetje zo grootjes doen. Dus in Nederland is anders. Dus alle bedrijven, alle managers, ik raad jullie aan om dat te weten, om hoe je bedrijf te kunnen starten in een land. Als het bedrijf zo doet, dan kunnen zij een beetje succesvol zijn. Guys, you all know that I'm a website designer. I design websites. I have designed over 20 years. Sorry, I have designed over 20 websites. And as a website designer, I enjoy offering this basic English language and Dutch lessons tutorial. For some of you that are watching my videos, some of you that live in Asia, in Japan, India, Iran, Iraq, Istanbul, wherever in the United States of America, wherever you're living, it's important to learn new language. So new language is very, very important because whenever you travel, you go abroad, you will be able to speak and communicate perfectly. And this video is dedicated to multinational companies, multinational hotels, multinational brands. So what are multinational brands and who are multinational companies? Multinational brands are brands that are present worldwide or present in multiple countries. So you have brands such as Coca-Cola, you have brands such as Pepsi, you have brands such as Unilever, you have brands such as Nestle. These are multinational brands, and most multinational brands are expanding their tentacles. What do I mean by expanding their tentacles? I mean to say that these multinational brands love to venture into new markets. Okay, I'm going to use Ibis Hotel for example. Let's assume Ibis Hotel wants to go to Africa, wants to go to Ghana or Senegal or Mali or India or Japan. You know, these are probably Ibis Hotel is in Japan, but this is an example. So it's important for the management to employ someone that speaks Japanese so that whenever they start a new branch in city such as Tokyo, they'll be able to speak the language. So that's the importance of language. So in a nutshell, I'm going to speak basic English and basic Dutch. I'm going to use some brands, goods and services I have enlisted on my website, ekenepatience.com, blacknoir.tv, myfabulousbeauties.com, ekenepatience.org, blacknoir.org, and more. So let's get started. So now I'm going to make sentence with Mercedes-Benz. So if you want to say I love Mercedes-Benz cars, how do you say that in Dutch? How do you say I love Mercedes-Benz cars in Dutch? Ik hou van Mercedes-Benz autos. So most bus companies such as the line Belgium purchases their vehicles from Mercedes-Benz. Some other companies such as Connection in the Netherlands, Zeeland, purchases their vehicle from brands such as Mercedes-Benz, or they purchase from the brand called MAN, M-A-N, MAN. So I enjoy promoting these companies on my website, ekenepatience.com/automobiles, to inspire my viewers worldwide, and also hotels, multinational companies, airline companies. When they want to purchase automobiles, they will know the best places to purchase from. They will know what, they will know the best places to purchase. So I'm going to start with automobile companies. So on ekenepatience.com/automobiles, I'm promoting some great automobile companies such as Porsche, Ferrari, Bugatti. I'm promoting Jaguar. I'm promoting Mercedes-Benz. So Mercedes-Benz is a great multinational company. Good morning, arise and shine. Today I'm super elated to share with you basic English language and Dutch lessons. I'm also going to share with you some management coaching. So this is a highly demanded video, so I thought why not coach you guys about digital marketing, communication, and business, at the same time talk about Dutch language. So there has been a lot of questions coming from you guys. Is Dutch the same as the German language? I always said to you guys, no. Dutch is spoken by the Dutch people, and the Germans speak Duits. Duits. Duits, okay? Hi guys, check out this delicious meal from the market store. It's a salad, very delicious. I really like it. You guys should try it out. So it's called the market store, having dinner. So it's important to eat light, not too much calories. Hi, good evening, welcome to my channel. This is going to be a random chit chat video. I'm going to talk about topics related to home care, automobiles, fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and more. I'm not wearing makeup, I'm about to go to bed, but I thought why not do a little bit of chit chat with you guys before I retire to bed, because you guys like it very much. So I thought, okay, let me talk to you guys about me, Ekene Patience, as a brand. This is basically evening riot theme video, life of an IT beauty consultant, and just to mentor persons that are willing to become an IT consultant, and the challenges you might experience, and also the advantages of being self-employed IT web designer, and so on and so forth. So I have been designing website for almost 2 decades, and I enjoy designing websites, and I also like to share my website with persons. Hi, good evening, welcome to my channel. This is going to be a random chit chat video. I'm going to talk about topics related to home care, automobiles, fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and more. I'm not wearing makeup, I'm about to go to bed, but I thought why not do a little bit of chit chat with you guys before I retire to bed, because you guys like it very much. So I thought, okay, let me talk to you guys about me, Ekene Patience, as a brand. This is basically evening riot theme video, life of an IT beauty consultant, and just to mentor persons that are willing to become an IT consultant, and the challenges you might experience, and also the advantages of being self-employed IT web designer, and so on and so forth. So I have been designing website for almost 2 decades, and I enjoy designing websites, and I also like to share my website with persons, and because I have published so many lovely pictures of myself as a photo model. Not all web designers are photo models, so some web designers are just regular working class persons, and they do web design as a job or a part-time job. But I happen to be a photo model, and at the same time a website designer, which is a plus to brands, because and also a plus to me, because I do not have to invest a lot of money buying pictures, videos. Most content creators tend to invest money buying new pictures on Shutterstock, iStock, Fotolia. Of course, I have modeled for photographers that has portfolios on iStock, Shutterstock, but I tend to use my own pictures for my web design gigs, and I like it very much. I also enjoy offering basic English language and Dutch lessons, because that's what I like to do as well. So why did I decide to become a website designer? Actually, I was fortunate to learn about it. I learned about it from friends, I learned about it from family, and I attended some lectures related to website design. Of course, I had to learn, the elementary basis step by step before I was able to, perfect my design, so to speak. I'm not that perfect, but yes, I do design basic websites. I cannot design top-notch, advanced websites such as the website for the buying call for Jumia, or the website for of Easy Paris, but I do design, basic websites because that's what I can design.